Originally founded in 1860, did you know that TAG Heuer now produces around 380,000 watches every year? Molten steel flows, sapphire crystals form as micro gears snap into place. This is how TAG Heuer crafts precision. But before precision takes shape, every masterpiece begins with its raw materials. Every TAG Heuer watch starts long before the first gear is placed with material selection. The foundation is 316L stainless steel, a corrosion-resistant alloy chosen for its strength and durability under constant wear. Blocks of this steel arrive at the factory pre-certified for chemical composition and microstructure integrity. For high-performance lines, titanium is used as it is lighter, stronger, and hypoallergenic, ideal for both comfort and endurance. The crystal that shields each dial isn't glass, but synthetic sapphire, a laboratory-grown corundum heated to over 2,000 degrees Celsius, then cut and polished to achieve unmatched hardness and optical clarity. Every batch is tested for impurities and uniform transparency. Meanwhile, microcomponents and Swiss-made movements arrive from specialized suppliers, each individually numbered and inspected. Before these materials touch the assembly floor, they pass through TAG Heuer's internal quality control, which include density checks, hardness tests, and visual inspections under high magnification. Only flawless materials proceed. Precision begins with purity. Once the materials are cleared, transformation begins. Raw metal becomes precision form. Each TAG Heuer case starts as a solid block of 316L stainless steel. Using CNC machining, the metal is carved with micron-level accuracy, ensuring perfect symmetry and exact fit for every component. The process is entirely automated yet monitored in real time by technicians who measure tolerances down to 1,000th of a millimeter. Once shaped, the case undergoes multiple surface treatments. Sandblasting creates a uniform matte texture, while brushing and polishing define the contrast between glossy and satin finishes. Every edge and curve is refined by hand to remove even the slightest imperfection. Before assembly, each case is tested for waterproofing readiness. Threads, seals, and crown openings must meet strict geometric standards. For premium editions, ceramic or titanium inserts are integrated, requiring special bonding techniques that maintain both strength and aesthetic precision. By the time it leaves machining, the case is no longer raw material. It's a sealed, engineered shell that is now ready to protect a Swiss-made heart. With the case perfected, attention shifts to the face that defines identity. Inside a controlled, dust-free room, the dial, the watch's visual centerpiece, takes form. Aluminum or brass plates are cut, polished, and coated with multiple lacquer layers to achieve the precise color and depth required by each model. TAG Heuer's printing process applies numerals, indices, and branding with ultra-fine pads, ensuring perfect alignment within fractions of a millimeter. For readability and darkness, Super Luminova is hand-applied to markers and hands. This luminous compound, activated by light exposure, provides long-lasting visibility without radioactive materials. Once cured, each dial undergoes visual and microscopic inspection to ensure flawless surfaces and consistent brightness. The hands, often just fractions of a gram, are produced separately and installed using micro-manipulation tools under magnification. Their alignment must be exact. A deviation of even 1 degree can affect readability and movement balance. Before assembly, every dial is sealed in a dust-free container. Precision here is non-negotiable. A single speck of dust can compromise the entire aesthetic standard. Beneath the dial lies the true engine, the movement's mechanical heartbeat. The movement is where precision becomes life. TAG Heuer uses both in-house calibers, like the Heuer 02, and Swiss-sourced mechanisms such as the Caliber 5, each built to exacting standards of performance and readability. Assembly begins with the main plate, the structural base where every gear, pinion, and jewel will be mounted. Next comes the gear train, transferring energy from the mainspring to the escapement. The escapement regulates time through controlled oscillations, while the balance wheel maintains rhythm, a mechanical heartbeat beating up to 28,800 times per hour. Each stage is assembled under under magnification using anti-magnetic alloys and shock-resistant mounts to protect against vibration and temperature shifts. Lubrication is applied with micro droplets, precisely measured to reduce friction without excess drag. Once complete, torque and amplitude tests verify energy transfer efficiency and stability over time. Before leaving the assembly line, every movement runs through hours of calibration. Only when it achieves TAG Heuer's signature chronometric accuracy does it earn its place inside the case. With the movement alive, the next challenge is absolute protection, sealing perfection. Once the movement passes calibration, it's placed carefully inside the completed case. This integration process demands zero tolerance for dust or misalignment. The dial and hands are mounted first, then secured beneath the sapphire crystal. Specialized fixtures position the movement perfectly to ensure all components align with the crown and pushers. Gaskets made of high rubber or fluoropolymer are fitted around the crystal, crown, and caseback, forming airtight seals. The caseback is then screwed or pressed into place with torque-calibrated tools, locking the assembly into a pressure-safe chamber. Each watch then undergoes water resistance verification. In specialized pressure chambers, it's exposed to conditions simulating depths of up to 200 meters. Sensors detect even the smallest pressure loss or air leak. Once passed, temperature cycling and vibration stress tests confirm structural integrity under real-world wear. Only watches that maintain perfect sealing through every stage move forward. A TAG Heuer doesn't just keep time, it keeps the elements out with engineered precision. And with the case sealed tight, final precision now rests in human hands. In the final stage, each watch is fitted with its bracelet or strap, which is a process far more technical than it appears. Specialized torque tools ensure perfect tension on every screw and pin, preventing distortion or imbalance during wear. Stainless steel links, leather bands, or rubber straps are matched precisely to the model's dimensions and weight distribution. Once assembled, the watch enters timing verification. Each piece is tested against COSC chronometer standards and TAG Heuer's internal benchmarks, which demand even higher accuracy tolerances. The movement's performance is monitored across multiple positions and temperatures to confirm consistency. Automated sensors scan for visual and mechanical irregularities, but human technicians perform the final inspection. They check alignment, tactile feel of the crown, and even the sound of the rotor's rotation. Before packaging, the caseback receives a unique serial number engraving, linking every watch to its origin batch and inspection record. Only after passing every test is it declared complete, a certified instrument of Swiss precision. With precision now secured, the final step transforms machinery into a symbol of luxury. Every completed TAG Heuer watch enters the packaging department where technical achievement meets presentation. Each timepiece is cleaned, polished, and inspected one final time before being placed into a custom molded case. The packaging materials are carefully selected to balance luxury with sustainability, using recycled fibers, eco-certified leather, and minimalist designs that reflect the brand's modern aesthetic. Inside the box, documentation verifies authenticity: serial numbers, warranty cards, and inspection certificates. Digital records are synchronized in TAG Heuer's database, ensuring full traceability from production line to customer. Any discrepancy, even a barcode mismatch, halts the shipment for review. Once cleared, watches are shipped through controlled logistics channels from the Swiss factory to global retail outlets and authorized dealers. Each step is monitored for temperature, handling, and transit security. Finally, after-sales service centers worldwide maintain continuity, offering repairs, recalibration, and component replacement. From raw steel to a packaged instrument of precision, every TAG Heuer watch completes a journey engineered for trust, performance, and permanence. After seeing how every TAG Heuer is built, would you still call it just a watch or engineered craftsmanship? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.